Question 31. Harold recorded the number of inches of rainfall for each week in April and May. The results are in the table below. Determine whether each statement is true based on the table. Select true or false for each statement. So, statement 1 says, the difference between the medians of April and May is 1.5. Well, to do that, we need to figure out the medians, but because there are more statements, I'm going to refrain from crossing it off, and I'm going to just underline. So, if I go through the medians here, the median is between these two numbers, which means I need to add 3 plus 3.5 and divide by 2. And that gives me 3 plus 3.5 gives me 6.5, and divided by 2 is 3.25. So the median in April is 3.25. All right, and the same thing has to happen here. I have to add 2 plus 2.5 and divide. So 2 plus 2.5 is 4.5, divided by 2 is 2.5. So to find the difference, I need to subtract the 2, and I get a difference of 1. All right, 3.25 minus 2.25 is 1. So the difference between the medians of April and May is 1.5 is false. If I read the second statement, it says the difference between the medians of April and May is 1. Well, good news, we already found the medians and the difference, and it did come out to be 1, so that is a true statement. Statement 3 says the difference between the means of April and May is 0.75. So in order to do that, I need to add up all 4 of my numbers and divide by 4 for both April and May. So if I add up all my numbers for April, I get 12.5, and if I divide by 4, I get, running out of room, I get 3.125. If I do the same for May, I get 2 plus 2 plus 2.5, 9.5, and if I divide that by 4, I get minus 2.375. When I subtract the 2, I get 0.75, which makes this final statement true.